Hey guys, welcome back to Symphonystreasures. Today I'll be blinging out a hot pink AirPod case for a client of mine. I'll be using the hot pink AB jelly rhinestones in the size 4mm, 3mm, and 2mm. The case was clear. It's a hard shell case. I painted 3 coats of hot pink acrylic paint. I let it dry. I'll be using my blue pickup tool. I have my rhinestone trays with the ridges that I love to death. This is what I like to store my rhinestones in. It has the clear window so you can see the color of your rhinestones and it looks really cute. I'll be using my handy E6000 where little goes a long way. And I have a paper towel for cleanup. So let's get started. So now what I'm doing is pouring each of the different sizes into its separate trays because you want to be as organized as possible. You don't want to get the different sizes mixed up, so you'll be able to go to whichever size you need at that moment. So now I'm applying the E6000 glue in the area where I want to start my bling. I like to do it in circular motions and make sure that it's evenly distributed amongst the item. So what I'm currently using to help from straining my eyes is the hands-free headband magnifying glass. I ordered it from Amazon. It's a USB charging head magnifier with an LED light, and it has 5 different lenses that comes with it. It was about $15.95 on Amazon. The best investment that I purchased since I've been blinging items. It really does help, and it's rechargeable, so I like the fact that it does not take batteries. You plug it in, charge it up, and you're good to go. I'll try to insert a picture of it in one of the corners. So yeah, I'm still at it. I'm speeding the video up because it's the same process that I'm doing. I'm adding the glue, putting the rhinestones. I'm trying to do the honeycomb method, and in any areas where there are spaces that still can be seen or noticed, I put in the smaller rhinestones or whatever, space where I need a certain rhinestone to fit. That's why I use multiple rhinestones as fillers. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just speeding up a little bit so we can get through the video.